Smooth Love Elixir Value Expectation Synopsis. By and large, Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) essentially for the most part is estimated to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an entirely normal cost of $1.30 toward 2025 in an unobtrusive manner's end. With the sort of truly current cost of $0.0029, certainly Smooth Love Elixir especially generally holds its ground in the market in a kind of large manner, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In every way that really matters, Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) explicitly truly is expected to, in every practical sense, for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters, greatest cost of $9.31 constantly 2030 in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. Examiners project a bullish pattern for very Smooth Love Elixir in 2040, with costs possibly coming to $1.50 mark, or so they quite thought in a large manner. Especially long-haul investigation proposes that essentially Smooth Love Elixir cost might actually flood to $1.96 by 2050, with a pretty fundamentally likely reach somewhere in the range of $1.87 and $2.16, or so they truly thought, which truly is genuinely huge. Starting around 06 December 2023, beautiful Smooth Love Mixture for the most part truly is exchanging at exhibiting that fundamentally Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) essentially is expected to generally truly arrive at a by and large especially greatest cost of $9.31 continuously 2030, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking in a significant manner. SLP basically explicitly has a sort of beautiful all-out market cap of $120,633,246, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $44,959,838, which entirely is genuinely huge, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. This in every way that really matters makes especially certainly Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) especially essentially positioning at 290 in the cryptographic money market in a pretty extremely significant manner, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. In the event that you explicitly especially are a crypto financial backer and considering what entirely is the especially by and large Smooth Love Elixir cost expectation end of 2040, what will reasonably genuinely Smooth Love Mixture truly be in every practical sense, genuinely worth in 2040 in a for the most part beautiful significant manner, which certainly is very huge. Is reasonably fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture a quite wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2040, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will SLP cost by and large outperform its unsurpassed all things considered, exceptionally high in a fundamentally significant way, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking? These in every way that really matters, by and large, are our genuinely Smooth Love Elixir cost expectations for SLP's future, which essentially is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) Value Expectation 2040, as per the by and large certainly Smooth Love Elixir figure cost and specialized examination, in 2040 the SLP cost in every practical sense is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.0026. The normal for the most part least value worth of for the most part Smooth Love Elixir toward the finish of the decently current year ought to be $0.0023 in a very huge manner, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, SLP can fundamentally certainly arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0.0026 in an unobtrusive manner, which is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) Value Expectation December 2023. With respect to December 2023, most certainly especially Smooth Love Elixir cost truly is figure 2 by and large truly arrive at a the least cost of $0.0023, which really is genuinely critical, or so they certainly thought. The SLP cost could truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $0.0026, with the truly typical expected cost around $0.0026, which actually certainly is very critical, showing the way that the SLP cost could actually basically arrive at an in every practical sense truly most extreme cost of $0.0026, with the truly typical expected cost around $0.0026. Which actually generally is very huge, which for the most part is very critical. Smooth Love Mixture in every practical sense, by and large past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The fundamentally truly smooth love potion's cost certainly has shown an essentially most certainly great increment of 7.64% in the actually especially most recent 24 hours, showing how certainly smooth love elixir truly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The truly kind of smooth love potion's cost especially has shown a pretty especially great increment of 7.64% in the very certainly most recent 24 hours in an entirely significant manner, which generally is very huge. From especially for the most part most recent 7 days the SLP by and large was in lovely great vertical pattern and expanded by 23.49%, or so they in every practical sense thought, or so they thought. Smooth love elixir by and large has shown extremely in every practical sense, solid potential recently, and this could be essentially kind of good chance to in every way that really matters, for the most part dive right in and contribute, which truly in every way that really matters. Shows that besides SLP can generally fundamentally arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $0.0026, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. Smooth love elixir value estimate 2040 facts. What will in a real sense be extremely in every practical sense smooth love mixture especially worth in 2040, which fundamentally certainly is very huge, or so they thought. The SLP cost fundamentally is estimated to basically truly arrive at a commonly greatest degree of $0.0026, with genuinely least cost of $0.0023 toward the finish of 2040, showing how in the event that you explicitly truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the kind of certainly smooth love mixture cost expectation end of 2040. What will in every practical sense, truly smooth love elixir basically in every way that really matters, be essentially worth in 2040, especially truly in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they generally thought. Does truly beautiful smooth love mixture actually in a real sense have a future in an unobtrusive manner and a kind of enormous manner? As far as cost, especially certainly smooth love mixture explicitly in a real sense has an extraordinary most certainly potential to explicitly arrive at new levels, reasonably truly further appearance how truly smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation December 2023, concerning December 2023. Decently especially smooth love mixture value truly is conjecture to basically really arrive at an all things considered, in every practical sense, least cost of $0.0023, which certainly is very huge, which especially is genuinely critical. It is gauged that SLP will increment in esteem, which most certainly by and large shows that these essentially by and large are our fundamentally really smooth love elixir cost expectations for SLP's future in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely critical. As indicated by very unambiguous specialists and business examiners, entirely smooth love mixture can really raise a ruckus around town all goals and purposes outright, certainly the greatest cost of $0.0127 till 2030, exhibiting such certainly smooth love